Hi everybody, welcome to the Mythical Forest with JDAM Boris. And today I have a discovery from our experiment from our fermented plant juice for fertilizer. Somehow, I don't know how, you're not going to believe what got in here. Blacksoldierfly larva has hatched. Can you see them?
Oh,
squirming around? Look.
How did they get in
I
there?
don't know, but I'm saving them, and I'm going to put them in the Blacksoldierfly bin. I've been scooping them up by the things.
Oh, snap. It
Do you
smells
see
so
them?
bad.
Do you see them?
Yeah, I see them.
Hey, everybody, we got an update. I didn't mean for it to be an update, but it's going to be an update. Look what I found in the fermented plant juice.
Holy moly.
Can you do a close-up? These are Blacksoldierflies. This is like finding gold inside the gold. Look, I'm gonna take them all out. I'm gonna put them where they can hatch.
You think they've been trying to get out?
Yeah, poor things.
Oh my God, there's so many probably dead in there too.
And my hand's gonna stink like fermented plant juice. I'm gonna keep all these, and we're gonna put them in the Blacksoldierfly bin. Actually, that's gonna go. Let's go over there real quick, and I'll do the rest of this in a minute. Let me just show them what I'm gonna do. You can stop that. Okay, we're over here, the Blacksoldierfly bin. I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna put them all on there. I don't even know if they're dead because they look like they're in the stage of getting ready to hatch.
They're dead as hell.
Well, we don't know, so let's just leave them there, and we'll check in a few months. If they're gone, that means they crawled out. That's all papaya and grapes and what do you call it, banana?
Those poor things that we're trying
So let's
to get
see.
out.
All right,
Okay.
we'll give you an update. Boris is just about to put this dead tomato plant.
Vine?
Yeah, vine. It's
Spider
full of
mites?
spider mites. Yeah, he was about to put it in here. And look, you guys, we're loaded with Blacksoldierflies in this fermented plant juice. Look, I'm so excited, but at the same time, I'm like, we got to save them, just like our other one.
Yeah.
Look, they're all over the side. They're trying to escape so that they can turn into flies. So I'm going to stop this real quick, and I'm going to try to, ooh, got a spider mite in my hair. I poked that in my hair.
Sorry.
Ooh, I'm going to try to save some of those.
Yeah, they're all over the place.
I was going to pull that top out. We need to come to next week.
Look, they're
And
all
save
on the
them.
side.
But they're in the water too.
Ugh. You got my face a little close to that.
Yeah. This has been a year. This stuff is really good fertilizer at this point.
Yeah, it's been way over a year. Yeah. Now, at this point, yeah. This is over a year. 2-year-old.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
And the
literally-
longer the better.
Yeah, the
Oh,
longer the better.
Look, we even got that rotten tomato going in there. We could have got that. Yeah. Let's put the tomato in there.
Yeah.
Something was eating at it. Looks weird. The inside looks pink. The outside's green. There we go. All right. Okay. Ooh, the stink. I'm gonna try to save these. Look, I'm just gonna throw them here.
Yeah.
They'll survive there. They'll hatch in the summer.
Like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all off.
Should I get the ones on the edge? Poor things.
Oh shit! I got my fingers full of
Uh-oh.
junk.
Yeah, and it takes, you're going to have to get the smell off, you guys, you're going to have to use like baking soda and vinegar.
Yeah, I got my fingers all over it.
Yeah, the smell won't come off unless you keep really scrubbing it.
Ooh.
It gets in your skin.
Ooh, it smells funk.
But it's a real good fertilizer.
Ooh, it smells funk.
All the
My
different
sweet
plants
fingers.
that we got in there fermented in rainwater with a little leaf mold.
No leaf mold. Yep.
Yep. Everybody, we're adding to our fermented plant juice. As you can see, stir it and let's show them.
We're gonna stir it up.
Ew.
Little darling.
Ooh.
Ooh, you guys can only smell this.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that.
All right, so what we're going to add to this is
Banana peels.
bananas, not just peels, bananas.
Bananas and peels.
Okay.
Bananas and peels.
This is from,
We'll
you'll
see
have
how
to
long-
watch.
This is
Ooh,
like 2,
watch our
3 years
compost
old.
video where we get a drop from the grocery store, all the stuff that they throw away. We're making fertilizer out of it.
And yeah,
This is
like
about a year old?
about a year
Yeah.
old. Yeah, a year. Yeah, exactly a year. It was around this
I mean, it
time.
really breaks down.
Yeah.
It was loaded with stuff, you guys.
Ooh.
I mean, all kinds of plant material
Yeah,
loaded.
look, now it's almost like...
Yeah, soup. It really broke
look,
down after
look,
a year,
all of
didn't
it,
it?
yeah.
There's not hardly anything
Yeah,
left.
that's about all that's left. Let me
That's
see.
crazy.
Wow,
It really
yeah.
did break down.
It all broke down. Look, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
And some of that may be stuff we added during
Yeah, during
the last
during
6
the-
months or whatever.
Yes,
but
absolutely.
I can't believe it broke down all the way. I wasn't expecting that, were you?
No, I wasn't either. Now it's full of...
You know, I think COVID made us to where we can't smell.
Yeah, because I don't smell
This smells normally like the most horrible, rotten smell,
manure
and I can't smell nothing.
It's like...
But this is what you put on the plants, dilute it.
Diluted by the
To the
millionth
10th.
to the 10th.
All right, that's it, you guys.
Now,
Over and out.
over and out.
Hey everybody, we're adding to our fermented plant juice. We got more rainwater. Here we go.
Look at that.
I wonder if I should get another bucket or not.
Ooh. Ooh, you should smell that.
Been fermenting about a year now. We just
And
keep
you
adding
get
to
it.
it.
You get about. You put about what,
see.
like a shot glass to every gallon,
Yeah. Uh-huh.
and that's enough to put like a
That's enough to put you out. No, I'm just
put you out like the white lightning.
Woo! The dog's really attracted to it. Look, he's trying to figure out
like,
where is that? I want whatever it is
that?
in my mouth.
Whatever it
Look,
is.
he's gonna try to lick. Look, he's gonna try to lick this pole. Watch, he's gonna go over there and try to lick this pole after I set it down on the ground. Last time that's what he did.
Now let's see what's in here. See if there's any worms in here.
Watch out, Lester.
Oh yeah.
They don't have any black soldier flies. The
No,
black soldier
no.
flies have been getting it, emerging from this because I guess they laid their eggs on some of that leaf mold and stuff that we put in here, or some of the compost pieces, or I don't know.
Ooh.
I really don't know how they got in here and laid their eggs, but they
Same
did.
thing with this juice. You put in. We'll go check that one in a minute. We
Should
have
I put
one,
more
two.
rainwater in there?
Yeah, put rainwater in that one.
Okay, pause it.
Let me try this one. See if what's. We haven't opened this one in ages. Ooh,
let me
look
get
at how great that looks. We need to start filling up that one.
I don't know. I'm saving it. We've got enough. This is enough
Yeah,
for
this
the
is
whole neighborhood. These bins are enough for the whole neighborhood.
And it's
Ooh,
like,
ooh, they go back and
oh,
get on our clothes.
ooh, that almost got me in the face. Almost.
Hi, I'm not kissing you today.
Ooh,
I'm gonna add more
almost.
fruit to this one. It looks like.
Yeah, this one looks like it needs more fruit. Here,
It
hold
doesn't
the
have
phone.
to.
We need to stir that one a little better.
No,
It
it's
looks
good. It's good.
looks like when you keep adding water to the stew, you know, because
Yeah.
you're running out of stew and you just keep adding water, it's
Right.
kind of weak.
Yeah, it needs more.
It needs
product.
more product. This one over here, look at
Oh,
this
yeah.
bad boy. This is like even bubbling. Ooh,
Yeah.
this poor guy, look at this poor weak little bubbles. Oh, snap.
This
Yeah.
used to have just grains, you know, for the chickens and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
But the reason I stopped using it for that is because I have a hard time getting down with my back to get to the bottom. And now I just use the 5-gallon buckets for the chicken feed.
Okay.
So I'll put more of my rainwater. I'll be back. You can
Fertilizer files.